Hi children, I'm teacher Jocelyn. Welcome to mathematics class. Today, most clocks are digital clocks. Digital clocks are very simple to use. They simply show the digits for the hour and minutes. Have you ever seen a clock like this before? This is called an analog clock. It is a different way to display time. In this video, we are going to learn how to read an analog clock, which will be super awesome because there are analog clocks all around us that want to be read. They want to show us the time. So to start, we will going to learn some fun things about the analog clock. The front is called the face of the clock. Just like you have a face, an analog clock has a face. That's right, children. The face includes the numbers, the parts that spin, and all this marking on the clock. The face has two main parts that points to the numbers and spin around. They are called hands. The shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows us what hour it is. The long hand is the minute hand. It points to the minutes. The hour hand is the short hand and the minute hand is the long hand. Remember children, the short hand points to the hour. The long hand points to the minutes. Let's go back to our analog clock and figure out what time it is showing. Let's look at the hour hand, the short hand first. What number it is pointing at? Yes, children, at the number 3. So it is 3 something. Now, we just have to read the minutes. The minutes hand is the long hand. But how do we read the minute? We need to count by fives to find out the minutes. You'll see all of those little lines in between the numbers on the face of the clock represent 1 minute. To find out the minutes, we just have to count by fives around the clock, starting at the 12. When the minute hand is at the 12, that means 0 minute. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and back to 0. All we have to do is count by fives. Children, we already know what the hour is. The hour is 3. The minute hand is pointing to the 12, which means 0. And with minute, we always write 2 digits. So write 20. What is the time now, children? Yes, it is 3 o'clock. Great job, children. Let's try this one. What time this clock is showing us? When the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand points to 3, we say it's 3 o'clock. But when the minute hand gets to number 6, then we say half past. You can see the minute hand is pointing number 6 and the hour hand is pointing between number 2 and number 3. When hour is between the two numbers, the hour is the earlier number, so the hour is 2. Where is the minute hand pointing? That's right, children, at the number 6. We are going to count by 5s. We start at the 12, which is 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes, it's 2:30. We can say the time is 2:30. Great job, children. Okay, let's see what we've learned in this video. When the minute hand is pointing at 12 and the hour hand is pointing the other hour numbers, we call this a clock. But when the minute hand gets to number 6, then we say this 1/2. Thank you, children. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you to read the analog clock. Bye for now, and I'll see you in next video.